Have you ever wondered about the unique creatures that inhabit the vast landscapes of Australia? Well, you're in for an adventure as we delve into the world of Australia's diverse wildlife. From the arid outback to lush rainforests to pristine coastlines, each corner of this continent teems with life that is as varied as the landscapes themselves. Australia is a living museum of unique animals that you won't find anywhere else on the planet. Here, evolution has crafted creatures that are fascinating, awe-inspiring, and sometimes downright bizarre. This is a land where marsupials rule and mammals lay eggs, a place where birds have a laughter-like call, and where reptiles are among the most deadly on Earth. We'll begin our journey with Australia's iconic marsupials. You'll meet the kangaroo, a symbol of Australia, renowned for its incredible leaping abilities, and the adorable koala, a tree-dwelling marsupial that feeds on eucalyptus leaves. Next, we'll introduce you to some of Australia's deadly reptiles. You'll learn about the coastal taipan, a snake with the most toxic venom in the world, and the saltwater crocodile, an apex predator that is the largest living reptile on our planet. Our journey will then take us to the realm of extraordinary birds. We'll show you the vibrant rainbow lorikeet, a common sight along Australia's east coast, and the kookaburra, a bird known for its unique laughter-like call. Finally, we'll explore some of Australia's unique mammals. You'll get to know the Australian sea lion, one of the rarest seal species, and the platypus, a mammal that lays eggs and sports a duck-like bill and webbed feet. So buckle up for a whirlwind tour of Australia's fascinating wildlife. We promise you'll be left in awe of the extraordinary creatures that call this continent home. First stop, the world of marsupials. Let's jump right in with the kangaroo, a symbol synonymous with Australia. Kangaroos are a sight to behold, with their powerful hind legs and distinctive hopping motion. They're not only the largest marsupials on our planet, but also the only large animals to use hopping as their primary means of locomotion. How's that for a fun fact? Now imagine a creature so specialized, it feeds exclusively on a single type of plant. That's our koala, a marsupial that's adapted to a diet of eucalyptus leaves. Despite their cuddly bear-like appearance, koalas are not bears at all. They're arboreal marsupials, spending most of their lives nestled high up in eucalyptus trees. They're also known for their sleep patterns, snoozing away up to 20 hours a day. Australia is a land where marsupials have diversified into an astounding array of forms and sizes. From the tiny sugar glider, a small nocturnal marsupial that can glide from tree to tree, to the wombat, a stout burrowing creature, these animals have adapted in fascinating ways to the diverse Australian environment. And then there's the Tasmanian devil. Despite its menacing name and reputation, this carnivorous marsupial is primarily a scavenger. It's known for its ferocious feeding habits and unsettling screech. Sadly, the Tasmanian devil is currently facing a significant threat due to a transmissible facial cancer, but conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique creatures. Marsupials are a testament to Australia's evolutionary past, a time when this continent was isolated from the rest of the world. This isolation allowed marsupials to evolve without competition from placental mammals, leading to the diverse range of marsupial species we see today. These are just a few examples of the marsupials that call Australia home. Each one, with its unique characteristics and adaptations, contributes to the rich tapestry of Australian wildlife, making this continent a truly extraordinary place for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers alike. From cuddly marsupials, we now move on to some of the world's deadliest reptiles. Australia is a land of contrast, and its reptilian inhabitants are no exception. Among this diverse group, two species stand out for their lethal potential: the coastal taipan and the saltwater crocodile. Let's begin with the coastal taipan. This elusive snake is not one you'd want to encounter on a casual stroll. As the holder of the title for the most toxic venom of any snake species, the coastal taipan is a creature to be respected and admired from a distance. Despite its deadly capabilities, it is not frequently encountered by humans due to its secretive habits and preference for remote habitats. This snake is a testament to the ingenuity of evolution and the harsh realities of survival in the wild. Next, we delve into the murky waters of the saltwater crocodile's domain. These formidable predators are the largest living reptiles on our planet. Their immense size is matched only by their power, which they wield with surprising stealth. Saltwater crocodiles are apex predators in their ecosystems, ruling the waterways with an iron jaw. Yet, they are also intricate parts of their environments, maintaining the balance of life in their habitats. These reptiles, along with countless others, play vital roles in Australia's ecosystems. They are examples of how life adapts to thrive in a range of conditions, from the arid desert to the lush wetlands. Their presence, though sometimes intimidating, is a sign of a healthy and balanced environment. These reptiles are a testament to the diverse and sometimes deadly wildlife that Australia harbors. With each slither and snap, they remind us of the raw power and profound beauty of nature in all its forms. So, the next time you marvel at Australia's wildlife, spare a thought for these deadly yet fascinating inhabitants of the land down under. Now, let's take flight and explore Australia's avian diversity. This continent is a haven for bird lovers, with over 800 species calling it home, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Two such extraordinary birds are the rainbow lorikeet and the kookaburra. First, let's talk about the rainbow lorikeet. These birds are true to their name with their vibrant, multicolored plumage. They're often seen in large, noisy flocks in coastal regions and urban areas. Rainbow lorikeets are nectar feeders, with a specialized brush-tipped tongue for sipping sweet nectar from a variety of blossoms. Their bright colors and cheerful squawks make them a delightful sight for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Next, we have the kookaburra, an iconic Australian bird known for its distinctive laughter-like call. This sound is a familiar part of the Australian soundscape, often heard at dawn and dusk. Kookaburras are the world's largest kingfisher and are known for their robust bodies and strong beaks. These birds are carnivorous, feeding on a diet of insects, snakes, and even small mammals. Their call, which is often mistaken for many different animals, has earned them a place in Australian folklore and popular culture. These birds, the rainbow lorikeet and the kookaburra, are just a glimpse into Australia's rich avian diversity. With their striking appearances and unique behaviors, they embody the extraordinary nature of Australia's wildlife. They are the feathered ambassadors of this great land, each adding their unique splash of color and chorus of sounds to the vibrant tapestry of life that Australia supports. So, whether you're an avid birdwatcher or just a casual observer, Australia's birds are sure to capture your imagination and your heart with their charm and diversity. These birds add a splash of color and a chorus of sounds to Australia's rich tapestry of wildlife. Finally, let's dive into Australia's waters and explore its unique mammalian residents. Australia's coastlines are home to the Australian sea lion, one of the rarest seal species in the world. With their sleek bodies and playful nature, these sea lions are an absolute delight to observe. They are found predominantly along the southern and western coasts of Australia, from the Houtman-Abrolhos Islands in Western Australia to the Pages Islands in South Australia. Moving inland, we encounter one of the most enigmatic creatures on the planet, the platypus. A true marvel of evolution, the platypus is an extraordinary creature with a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and the unique ability to lay eggs. Found in the freshwater rivers and streams of eastern Australia, this fascinating creature is one of only 5 species of monotremes, a group of mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The Australian sea lion and the platypus are just 2 examples of the unique mammals that call Australia home. From the bounding kangaroos of the outback to the sea lions basking on the shores and the elusive platypus swimming in freshwater streams, each creature adds a unique thread to the rich tapestry of Australian wildlife. These unique mammals further enrich Australia's incredible wildlife diversity. Our journey through Australia's wildlife has just scratched the surface of what this continent has to offer. From the iconic kangaroos and koalas, the deadly yet captivating reptiles, the vibrant array of birds, to the unique mammals, each creature contributes uniquely to the rich tapestry of life down under. These extraordinary creatures, each with their own tale of survival and adaptation, truly make Australia a wildlife paradise. So, next time you find yourself down under, keep an eye out for these extraordinary creatures that make Australia a wildlife paradise.